Hi family, welcome to another entertaining journey, but today, it's not just any video. Today we're diving into the vibrant, unapologetic world of one of Latin America's most magnetic digital queens. She's bold, she's fiery, she's a mother, a mogul, and a movement all in one. From lip syncs in her bedroom to launching her own business in Miami. Imagine a teenage girl from the heart of El Salvador, just 15 years old, casually uploading videos to YouTube, not knowing that a few years later, she'd become one of Latin America's biggest digital icons. Born in 2001, Nicole Figueroa started for fun, but everything changed in 2019 when she joined TikTok. What began as lighthearted content quickly turned into a full-blown empire. Today, she boasts over 28 million followers on TikTok and nearly 9 million on Instagram, and every move she makes grabs the attention of millions. But how did she rise so fast? Let's take it from the very beginning. She started in Santa Ana, a small city in El Salvador, but life had bigger plans for Nicole. Her move to Miami, Florida, wasn't just about changing locations, it was a complete shift in her destiny. This wasn't just migration, it was transformation. In Miami, she didn't just continue creating content, she stepped into motherhood, built her own business, and expanded her influence beyond Latin America. It became the place where she balanced diapers with deadlines, baby bottles with brand deals, and turned from influencer to international entrepreneur. Nicole didn't start out aiming to become a superstar, she simply shared videos just for fun on TikTok. But what began as casual lip syncs and playful POVs quickly evolved into something much bigger. Over time, she mastered the art of storytelling through her content, blending daily vlogs, trending challenges, comedic sketches, fashion moments, and intimate glimpses into her life as a young mom. Her secret? Authenticity. Nicole's style is refreshingly natural, unpolished yet captivating, making her fans feel like they're right there with her, sharing the highs and lows. This genuine connection turned fleeting views into loyal followers, and casual scrollers into a devoted community. What makes her stand out is not just the variety of content, but how she effortlessly mixes entertainment with real-life moments, breaking the mold of traditional influencers and creating a unique space where personality reigns supreme. Behind every digital star, there's a story of real life, and for Nicole Figueroa, that story shines brightest through her relationship with Augusto Giménez, a fellow TikTok creator and influencer in his own right. Their journey started like many modern romances, through social media, mutual friends, and shared passions. But what began as a casual connection quickly grew into something deeper, sparking a bond that fans around the world have come to adore. Augusto isn't just her partner, he's her teammate, her co-star in countless videos, and the father of their two beautiful sons, Zeus and Aries. Their family moments, from playful dances to tender everyday scenes, have become a central theme in Nicole's content, giving fans a genuine glimpse into their life beyond the spotlight. What makes their story even more captivating is how they balance fame with family life, showing the ups and downs, the laughter and challenges, all while supporting each other's dreams. Their chemistry is real, their love is visible, and their journey as young parents navigating the digital world adds a heartfelt layer that resonates deeply with millions of followers. Whether it's a viral dance, a funny skit, or a heartfelt moment with their kids, Augusto and Nicole prove that behind the influencer personas, there's a real family, growing and thriving, and that's a story worth sharing. What truly sets Nicole Figueroa apart from countless other influencers is the authentic emotional depth she brings to her content. She's not just sharing funny clips or trendy dances, she's opening a window into her world as a mother, a young woman, and someone navigating the everyday challenges and joys of life. Nicole's videos go beyond surface-level entertainment, they're filled with raw, relatable moments that many of her followers, especially young women and moms, deeply connect with. Whether she's sharing a candid moment of exhaustion, celebrating a milestone with her kids, or discussing the realities of balancing career ambitions with family responsibilities, Nicole's content feels genuine and heartfelt. This focus on family and femininity creates a special bond with her audience. In a social media landscape often flooded with curated perfection and staged personas, Nicole's openness about motherhood, mental health, and self-care is a breath of fresh air. She normalizes the ups and downs of life, inspiring many to embrace their own journeys with honesty and courage. Her ability to blend humor, vulnerability, and real-life experiences has earned her a loyal and engaged community who don't just watch, they feel seen and supported. This emotional connection is a powerful part of why Nicole's influence goes beyond trends. She's creating a space where authenticity and family values thrive. Beyond her incredible success as a content creator and mom, Nicole Figueroa has proven she's much more than just a social media star. She's a savvy entrepreneur. One of her most impressive ventures is Nikki's Plastic Surgery, a high-end cosmetic clinic based in Miami. This isn't just a side hustle or a celebrity endorsement. Nicole took a bold step to build a legitimate business in the competitive world of beauty and aesthetics. The clinic offers a range of services, attracting clients who trust not only the brand but also Nicole's vision and influence. Her journey from uploading casual videos in El Salvador to managing a thriving business in Miami highlights a remarkable transformation. It's a testament to her ambition, resilience, and ability to diversify beyond digital fame. For many, her story is inspiring, showing that with creativity and determination, social media can be a launchpad for real-world success and financial independence. Nicole's business savvy adds a new dimension to her public image. She's not just the face on the screen but a powerful woman building an empire, balancing motherhood, content creation, and entrepreneurship with grace and grit. Nicole Figueroa's rise wasn't confined to the borders of her home country. She quickly became a continental sensation, capturing hearts across Latin America and eventually the world. Starting from Santa Ana, her authentic style and relatable content resonated with millions of young people facing similar experiences, dreams, and struggles. Her ability to connect deeply with her audience helped her build a massive following. Millions of fans in countries like Mexico, Colombia, and the United States are part of her loyal community. Nicole's reach goes far beyond TikTok and Instagram. She's become a cultural influencer whose voice carries weight in the Latin entertainment scene. This widespread influence opened doors for exciting collaborations with major celebrities, including the global superstar Shakira. Nicole also made appearances on popular TV programs and events, further cementing her status as a rising star not just in social media, but in mainstream media too. Her journey reflects how digital platforms can break down geographical barriers and create stars who represent entire generations, powerful, relatable, and inspiring millions across borders. No influencer's journey is without its share of controversy, and Nicole Figueroa's story is no exception. From viral moments like her emotional video with her mother to the infamous incident where she accidentally broke a TV, Nicole's public life has seen its ups and downs, moments that sparked heated debates and intense reactions among fans and critics alike. But what really sets her apart is how she handles the spotlight when things get messy. Nicole doesn't shy away from the drama or try to present a perfect image. Instead, she faces criticism head-on, often responding with honesty and vulnerability. Sometimes she apologizes sincerely, other times, she stands firm in her choices, showing that she's unapologetically herself. This ability to navigate both praise and backlash adds a compelling layer to her persona. It reminds her followers that behind the curated posts and polished videos, Nicole is human, flawed, learning, growing, and real. It's this authenticity that not only draws people in but also keeps them rooting for her, imperfections and all. Nicole Figueroa's social media presence is a textbook example of how to build and maintain a loyal, engaged audience. On TikTok alone, she boasts over 28 million followers, with videos regularly hitting millions of views, including a viral dance video with Augusto Giménez that surpassed 15 million views. Her TikTok feed is a dynamic mix of POV clips, lip syncs, comedic sketches, and family moments, all delivered with her signature authenticity and energy. On Instagram, Nicole has around 9 million followers and keeps her audience engaged with a blend of polished photos, behind-the-scenes snippets, and candid family posts. She posts frequently but smartly, balancing quantity with quality to maintain a high engagement rate. What really drives interaction on both platforms is her genuine connection with followers. Her content feels personal, relatable, and often interactive. She uses trends but always adds her unique spin. This combination of consistency, authenticity, and creativity fuels strong audience loyalty and constant growth. For marketers and content creators, Nicole's accounts offer valuable lessons. Know your audience, stay authentic, diversify your content, and never underestimate the power of storytelling. Nicole Figueroa is more than just a social media influencer. She represents a young Latina woman who has managed to balance motherhood, entrepreneurship, and creating authentic, inspiring content for her huge audience. Her story teaches us how to turn passion into a successful career and be a role model at the same time. Nicole breaks the typical influencer mold, making her unique and memorable in a world full of fleeting content. If you enjoyed this story and want to hear more inspiring success stories and celebrity news in an engaging way, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Gorgeous Models, and support quality content that brings you the best updates.